Good morning. Well, the last two videos I've done, they kind of took off a little bit, a lot better than I've been doing, and I appreciate everybody's watching them, and I appreciate those that subscribe to it. Today I'm going to be making another bracelet, but I was playing around with these stamps that I got, and last night I took some scrap and I come up with this one and this one. So that's what we're going to do today. Now I got another one here. I just played around with it. Don't know if I'll do that one or not. If y'all like that, just let me know in the comments, and I'll do some of them. Come out 3/4 and make a mark for our snap, and then we'll slide him over, and then we'll come down here, and this one, I think I'll do this one at 6.5, and then we'll add another 1/2 inch for the end. And this one will come out our 3/4. This is a 3/4 inch strip, so we'll come in 3/8, get right in the center, and then we'll do one over here, 3/8, come out a 1/2 inch, got that one. Cut these ends off. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of water. I don't want them real wet. I'm not carving, I'm just going to stamp them. Just a little bit. We'll let that dry just a tad. Okay, we're doing two different designs here. So on this one, I got these set at 3/8. I'm gonna run it right down the middle. Just a light line here for something to follow. And this one, we're going around the outside edge on him. Bring it into about 1/8 of an inch. And we're going to mark this one all the way around. Alright, that's better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the dead center. So this one is 7 inches. So we're going to come to 3.5. Spin him around. Now we'll do this one. Alright, that gets that. Now we're going to take this cedar. I'm just going to put a little seed right in the middle of those. You don't have to hit hard on this one. That gets that one. Now, going around this curve here, you can't stay on your line, so you just have to fudge it in there a little bit and turn them and make them fit the best you can. And that's what I was talking about. Just kind of angle them in there to where you get around the curve and get back on your line. And that gets that one. Well, we'll set these aside. They're not real wet. They won't have to dry long. They will have to dry a little bit. These are some I done last night. Same design. And I was looking at the stains. I really don't know. I don't think it would look good in that. And the only other stain I got right now at the time is dark brown. I don't think it looked good in that. I think it looks good in the natural color. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to oil them up and then let the oil seep in and dry. And then I'll put some resist on them and some antiquing, and we'll call it done. This oil ought to darken them up somewhat. I slicked the edges on these last night. So them other ones, I need to slick the edges on them. Alright. We'll let that dry. And then I'll come back and we'll antique them. Okay, well, I got the oil on it, and you can see how that darkened it up. It still looks pretty good. Now I'm going to put this bracelet on it, so we can get ready to put the antiquing on it. Alright, we'll let that dry, but I got 2 more that I already put it on there. So now we'll go ahead and get the antique. Alright, so we're going to rub this antique on here and try to get it down in those little grooves. Alright, that really makes them stand out. So we'll let this dry. When we come back and put the snaps on, we'll be done. Well, now we're going to put the snaps in, and then we'll be done with this one. Well, that gets another one done. I got this one and this one. There we go. Alright, well, appreciate y'all watching, and hope you enjoy them and maybe get something out of it. But I guess I'll see you on the next one.